This is how a 7 house Chowka Bara board game looks like. It can be played with 2 to 4 players. Each player gets 6 pawns, and for this we need 6 cowrie shells. We throw cowrie shells like this. Based on the cowrie shells up or down, we count. This is counted as 4. This is counted as 5. This is counted as 6. This is counted as 12. This is counted as 1. This is counted as 2. And this one as 3. Now, whenever we throw a cowrie shell, based on the counting, we make a move. The yellow pawn make a move like this. Only yellow pawn has cut down the opponent pawn, say red, green or black. It will enter inside. How it will enter inside? Note down. It will go this one and it will come here, and then it reaches the fruit house. These are all called as safe points, and nobody can kill the opponents or anyone in the safe points. The winner who gets all the 6 pawns like this way to their fruit house, they are the winners. Now we will see how the green one will move. Green one will make a move like this. It will enter inside, then it will go inside and reaches the fruit house. In this game, whenever we throw 12 or 6, 12 or 6, or whenever we cut down opponent pawn, we get one more chance to throw. So the game goes like this. We will show one game video of how to play this actual play.
Love learning this timeless classic strategy game? Like the video, subscribe to Roll the Dice and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a chance to learn a game.